Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to schedule Do Not Disturb on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Do Not Disturb. In Do Not Disturb, you can see here the schedule section. Okay, you can see here the schedules. So I have no schedules on my Do Not Disturb. So, okay, to schedule, okay, you'll have to stop the schedules. And now here in schedules, okay, to add, okay, you'll have to stop the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here you can see the enter schedule name. So okay guys, for my example, I name sleep time. So I name the schedule sleep time. So okay guys, for my example, I set from, so okay, here you can see 10 p.m. So I change this. To change this, you'll have to stop this, and you can see the clock here, so you can scroll down to adjust or scroll up. So I set into 8 p.m. Okay, we have successfully set the from. So another is set the 2, and this is the time to end the schedule of your Do Not Disturb. So you can tap this, and you can see the adjustment of clock here. So for my example, I set into 6 a.m. And okay guys, here below you can see the repeat. So you can tap this, and you can change the repeat into every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. So okay guys, I decide repeat into Monday to Friday. So I uncheck the Sunday and Saturday. So after you set the repeat day, okay, you can tap the OK button to set the repeat schedule, and that's it. Okay, after you set the Do Not Disturb schedule, so okay, you can tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen. Now okay guys, you can turn on or off the schedule of your Do Not Disturb by switching off or on the switch button on the right side. And you can add by tap the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen. Now okay guys, also you can remove the schedule of your Do Not Disturb by tap the 2 dot on the upper right side on your screen and tap edit, and you can see the schedule of your Do Not Disturb. So you can tap the square on the left side to check, and below you can see the delete button. Okay, you can tap this to remove the schedule of your Do Not Disturb. Okay guys, we have successfully scheduled the Do Not Disturb on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.